Yo, what up, home slices? I'm about to head out now. It is 5 to 10. I am late. Today is gonna be a fun-filled day. We're going to be go-karting with my teammates from work, and yeah, it's just gonna be overall fun. I will give you guys an update when I get there.
Driver number 1, very serious about his life. I'm giving you my car here.
you guys. I need.
Okay, cool. So as you'll see in this video, today was quite an exciting day, right? We went for a team build, we did some go-karting. It was really fun, not going to lie. What made it more fun than anything else was the fact that I had the fastest time. Not to brag or anything, but I beat my teammates, you know. I beat my team lead, I beat my account manager, I beat my tech lead. So at least in terms of driving fast, I'm better than them in some ways, but they are better than me in a lot of other ways. Anyway, that aside, right now I'm stuck in traffic going home. So before I end this video, I want to give you guys my traffic theory, right? So my traffic theory is simple. The fast lane in traffic is not the fast lane, right? The lane next to that lane is actually the fast lane. Let me tell you why, right? You often find yourself in the situation where you get into traffic, and then what do you try to do? No, I want to get into the fast lane. No, you don't, bro. No, you really don't. You don't need to be in the fast lane. Why? Because the lane next to the fast lane is actually the fast lane, because everybody thinks like you and want to go into the fast lane, and that's why this lane becomes a bit freer and it flows a bit more, right? Now, just to test that, I have a Mercedes that I am benchmarking my progress against through this traffic, right? He's in the fast lane, I'm here in this lane, and we're gonna see, right? So before we end this video, also I want to give a quick build update. So I know my deadline was actually not this weekend, the next weekend, to have all 4 fender flares done. As you've seen in my previous video, 2 of those flares are done, right? So 2 arches are done. However, I don't think we're going to be making that deadline. The reason being is because I need to wait to get paid in order to get more fiberglass, right? I can't just keep busting money on fiberglass. So I'm waiting to get paid, then I'll get more fiberglass, and then we can continue after that. Now I do have some fiberglass left, so what I am going to be doing is I'm going to be polishing up the other side. We're going to be doing the side saddle pieces, the splitter piece on the bumper possibly, and we may actually do the ducktail boot spoiler that I'm going to try and base off Lightning McQueen's boot spoiler, with the multiple bars that go down from the boot to the spoiler itself, right? So that's gonna be what we're going to do for the rest of the month. You guys will see the periodic updates every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday, unless I feel that there is not enough content in progress to actually post. So that's going to be what we're going to be doing for the next couple of weeks, and then in December we will get some more fiberglass and resin and replicate the stuff to the other side. Okay. So before I end this video, be sure to check out the Community of Stance merch on my wife's Urban Inc. website. You can purchase these t-shirts for 350 Rand plus shipping fees, which is normally just 100 Rand anyway in South Africa. If you're not from South Africa and you would like to purchase some merch, do DM me on Instagram or TikTok, or I think my WhatsApp number might be on TikTok as well, my business number. So DM me on one of those numbers, and hopefully we can help you get some merch, right? There is a lot of designs that we have there. A lot of them are cars. These are the ones that have like the Community of Stance Jedimu on the sleeves, stance going down in Japanese and in English in green, and then got the Community of Stance name at the back, right? We also have these in black, and we also have the black shirtbox one available to purchase. So be sure to check it out, purchase it if you're interested. They are good quality t-shirts, they are good quality print, because like I mentioned previously, I want to give you guys as much value as I possibly can. And also don't forget that we are doing a giveaway at 10,000 TikTok subscribers or followers and 1,000 YouTube subscribers. we'll be giving away one of the body kits that I am making now, so it will be an exact replica with all of its deficiencies as well. So yeah, spread the word. Don't forget to tell your friends, subscribe to my YouTube, follow me on TikTok, and once we reach those numbers, I'll be doing that giveaway. That is all from me. Peace.